kids, and welcome to another cook along. Today we're making Easter Rocky Road. So you are going to need, mums and dad, to get your children to wash their hands, pop an apron on, and you are going to need to supervise at all times because we're using hot water and knives today. So parents, if you could get a bowl of simmering water ready, and then children, you can break the chocolate into the bowl, and then mums and dads or adults are going to be placing the bowl on top of the saucepan to melt the chocolate. So that's the first job. So with nice clean hands, you're going to break up your chocolate into pieces, and into that chocolate we're going to add in our cubed butter and our lovely runny golden syrup, about 2 tablespoons. So one squeeze and another squeeze, and if you've got a tin, you can scoop it out with a tablespoon. So now you need to let this chocolate and butter and golden syrup all melt down together. Now, don't have your hot water too hot, or you'll just have really thick lumpy chocolate. So make sure that your hot water is not bubbling too much. Now, when you can see that it's all starting to melt lovely, we're going to take it off the heat. So pop an oven glove on, mums and dads, to take your bowl off the heat. Turn that off and set that aside. Okay, so now you want to leave this cool for a little bit, because if you just put your marshmallows in here straight away, what will happen is all the marshmallows will melt and then you'll have a big gloopy mess. So you can see this is nice and runny. You want to make sure all those lumps of butter are out and all your chocolate is completely melted, okay? So once you can see you've got a nice smooth runny chocolate mixture, that's when you will be ready to put in your other ingredients. Now the key to Rocky Road is to keeping it full of texture. So when you break up your biscuits, don't break them up too much or you'll just have dust. So break them up so they're nice and chunky. You can break them up with your hand or pop them into a sandwich bag and bash them a little bit with a rolling pin. Mums and dads, you'll enjoy that bit, take out all your stress. Just don't hit them too hard because you do want to have some crunch. So you pop your biscuits into your melted chocolate, golden syrup and butter. And then you want to add in your mini marshmallows. So I'm using a mixture of pink and white, so they make the Rocky Road nice and colourful. And then you are going to need to add in some halved mini eggs, okay? So if you cut the mini eggs up first, mums and dads, and they can go into your mixture. Now, all you need to do is mix and ensure that everything is coated with the chocolate. Otherwise, when you cut it, you will just have it all falling apart. So now you can see that all of that mixture is coated with the chocolate. So now we can put it into our prepared tin. Now, into Rocky Road, you could also put some nuts. Pistachio nuts look lovely in it because they're like little green jewels, like flecks through the chocolate. You can also put in some cranberries or raisins as well. So whatever you like. But traditionally, it's biscuits, marshmallows, and obviously lots and lots of chocolate. And because it's Easter, we're adding in the addition of some mini chocolate Easter eggs. Right, so that's all lovely. So then you will have needed to prepare a square tin and line it with some greaseproof paper. And into your prepared tin, you're going to just dump in all of your mixture. Make sure you get all that lovely chocolate in and spread it around. And make sure that it all gets pressed into the corners of your tin as well. And then to decorate, you're going to add in your mini eggs. So you can sprinkle those on top of your Rocky Road mixture. Now this needs to go into the fridge for at least an hour to set, so then you can cut it up into squares, okay? And here is one that we made earlier. So this has been in the fridge for at least an hour, so it's nice and solid now. And then you take a sharp knife, mums and dads, okay, you're going to do this bit, and then just cut your Rocky Road into squares. Don't worry about things getting a little bit messy. Turn it around and then cut it the other way. Now you could do little bite-sized chunks, or you could do like nice big bar sizes. And you could even give these as little Easter gifts. So you could take a little cellophane bag and you can pop your Rocky Road into your gift bags. Oops. And these do make a nice little treat. Who doesn't like chocolate at Easter? And who doesn't like a mini egg? So now put a little bit of ribbon on here and tie a pretty bow. And then you can pick up a little basket and pop your gift in a basket and put a nice little bird on there as well. So there you have your Easter Rocky Road. Hope you enjoyed and see you soon. Bye!